In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your forms in QuickBooks with ease. Whether you're trying to refine the presentation of your invoices or simply want to add a personal touch to your forms, this step-by-step guide will ensure you have all the knowledge you need to make those tweaks effectively. Let's start by navigating to the QuickBooks homepage. If you haven't already, open your favorite web browser and type in the URL qbo.intuit.com. This will direct you to the QuickBooks online platform. For those who are new, QuickBooks is an accounting software designed to help manage your financial transactions and maintain clarity over your business's financial health. Now, once you're on the homepage and logged in, the next steps will become interactive and straightforward. Now that you're in QuickBooks, your next move is to locate and click on the Settings icon. This is usually represented by a gear icon and is strategically placed at the top right corner of your screen. Settings is your gateway to all customization options. Think of it as your control center. It's from here you can change, modify, or adjust how things work and appear in QuickBooks. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. And don't worry, taking this step won't alter anything yet. After accessing the Settings menu, we're going to move on to Custom Form Styles. This section is key for tailoring the appearance of your various financial documents, such as invoices, sales receipts, and estimates. So go ahead and click on Custom Form Styles. It's designed to present you with various templates and tools to help make your documents stand out. This is where your creativity begins to shine through. Once inside the Custom Form Styles, you'll see a list of your current form styles. Find the one you want to modify and click on Edit. This is the place where real magic happens. Editing allows you to make changes to the layout, colors, fonts, and even add your logo if you desire. It's a powerful feature to ensure that your documents reflect your brand's identity. Take a moment to explore the different tabs available. The Design tab, for instance, lets you play with the aesthetics of your form, while the Content tab allows you to modify the actual information being displayed. With these steps, you're now well on your way to having beautifully customized forms in QuickBooks. Remember, each tweak you make can positively impact how clients perceive your professionalism and attention to detail. Feel free to revisit and refine as needed. Thank you for following along and happy customizing!